Is free credit really free? Unveiling Credit Karma. Ever feel like you're constantly bombarded with financial products? Credit cards with sky-high rewards, loans promising instant relief, it's enough to make your head spin. But before you dive in, there's one crucial factor to consider: your credit score. This three-digit number holds immense power, influencing everything from loan approvals to insurance rates. So, how do you keep an eye on this magic number? Building context. Traditionally, checking your credit score involved pulling a report from each bureau, a tedious and often expensive process. Thankfully, the internet age ushered in services like Credit Karma, promising free credit score access. But with free plastered everywhere these days, a healthy dose of skepticism is natural. So, the question lingers: is Credit Karma truly free, or is there a hidden catch? Deep dive, the free stuff. Let's break it down. Here's what Credit Karma offers for free. Credit scores, this is the big one. Credit Karma provides access to your TransUnion and Equifax scores, two of the major credit bureaus. You can check them as often as you like, giving you a constant pulse on your credit health. Credit reports, while not as frequently updated as scores, Credit Karma allows you to view summaries of your credit reports from Equifax and TransUnion. These reports detail your credit history, including loans, credit cards, and public records. Spotting errors on your report is crucial, and Credit Karma empowers you to do just that. Monitoring, keeping tabs on your credit is key. Credit Karma offers free credit monitoring, alerting you to any significant changes in your reports. This could be a new account opening, a balance update, or even potential fraud attempts. Beyond the free, unveiling the business model. So, Credit Karma gives you valuable tools for free, but how do they make money? Here's the thing: free services aren't entirely out of the kindness of a corporation's heart. Credit Karma makes money by connecting you with credit card offers, loans, and other financial products. When you click on these offers and potentially get approved, Credit Karma receives a commission from the lender. It's a win-win situation. You get introduced to potential financial tools, and Credit Karma gets paid for facilitating the connection. Transparency and potential drawbacks. Now, transparency is key. The free credit score and monitoring might be enticing, but it's important to be aware of potential drawbacks. Limited scope. Credit Karma only provides scores from TransUnion and Equifax. While these are major bureaus, there's a third one, Experian. To get a complete picture of your credit health, you might need to consider paid services that offer all three bureau reports. Credit score model. The free score provided by Credit Karma might differ slightly from the score a lender uses when evaluating your application. This is because lenders often use industry-specific scoring models that take additional factors into account. Focus on promotions. Remember, Credit Karma benefits when you take out a credit card or loan through their platform. This can lead to a bombardment of offers, which might not always be in your best interest. The takeaway: free with a side of consideration. So, is Credit Karma truly free? Yes, in the sense that you don't pay directly for credit scores and reports. However, there's a focus on promoting financial products that generate revenue for Credit Karma. The key takeaway? Credit Karma is a valuable tool, but it shouldn't be your only one. Use it to monitor your credit health, but also consider pulling a free annual report from each bureau, as mandated by law, to get a more comprehensive picture. Remember, responsible credit management requires a holistic approach. Call to action. Now, hit that like button if you learned something new about Credit Karma. And, if you've got your own credit monitoring tips, leave them down in the comments below. Let's build a community of financially savvy YouTubers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and keep your credit score shining.